Octopus intelligence. Octopuses are highly intelligent creatures. They have been observed using tools, solving complex puzzles, and displaying short and long-term memory capabilities. The Antarctic ice sheet contains about 60% of the world's fresh water. If it were to melt entirely, global sea levels could rise by approximately 60 meters 197 feet. Cheesy McNuggets with ranch. Honey is one of the few foods that can last indefinitely. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible, so you should just die and become a honeybee. You little idiot, my name is Alice, and have a bad day.